again, the 50-50 drawing, tickets are on sale, $1. They're in the red and white tent, and there may be some people out in the field selling tickets. And that's to help support our club and to support the winner. We won winner. And as Drew mentioned, the membership special is $20 for the rest of 2019, all of 2020.
I don't know about that. A super yeah, it is. I don't know about the back. A super yeah, it is.
Please come to the main house and go into the ballroom. And the judges' briefing will be on, is being held right now. So any judges that haven't been briefed, please come to the main ballroom. And by the way, thank you judges for doing what you're doing. It's a difficult job. You're trying to pick the first, second, and third place right here at the end of Goddess Bay. Bay State Aging on the club is 48.
Right before you go over the bridge, there's one more right.
Thank you so much for attending, people,
The house was
and
down,
especially for the judges. If you don't see anybody on the field, you might have tickets. The first drawing is at 10:15. 10:15 will be the first drawing at the 50-50. Membership special today also is $20 at the red and white tent. And any judges that have not held their briefing, please come to the main house and go into the ballroom. And the judges' briefing will be on, is being held at now. So any judges that have a telephone card, the bright red automobile, you can miss it. Judges, right in here go to the main ballroom. And we appreciate your help and your assistance in this. If there's any questions, just go to the red and white tent and the people will give you an answer. All right. Thank you so much for attending, and hope all is well. Enjoy the show.
No, it just needs.
That's right. Your dues are usually $25 a year, so we knocked off $5 and give you an extra 6 months. How can you go wrong? Join the club, and if you want to help with next year's big show, you can see what goes on behind the scenes. We need many hands to put on the show. We thank all the volunteers. There's many volunteers that put on this show on this side. Tremendous amount of work.
Last couple of times I was here,